Oh!
This one's terrifying. Oh. These boards are a lot harder than they look.
Come on, Dan, this is for $100. Hey you guys, we're here today with another episode of Kickflip for Cash. If you guys haven't seen the previous episodes, you can click somewhere on this screen and go check them out. But right now, we have 5 boards to kickflip. It is a time trial, and you have up to 5 minutes to do 5 kickflips on all of these skateboards. Fetty, would you like to show the people what kind of boards we have?
1 kickflip on each skateboard, not 5 kickflips on every board.
Is that what I said?
No, but I just clarifying.
Thank you, Dan.
We got Maggie Simpson. We got Batman. Infinity Gauntlet.
Oh.
Pickle Rick. And Marge.
And Lastra.
No, okay. I think the theme of this episode is just very popular TV show / movies, I guess, that we've accumulated in the past.
Technically, you watch a movie on TV.
It tells a story, Gabe.
But what if I watch a movie in a movie theater and I don't see it on the TV?
What if you watch a TV show
Marge.
in a movie theater?
That, I don't know what that means.
Marge, she gets with Pickle Rick.
Okay.
They get married.
They get married?
Then someone grabs the Infinity Gauntlet. They're like, we can't have this. Bam.
No,
they
no.
evaporate
The
half.
Infinity Gauntlet snaps Batman into the Marvel Universe.
Okay, well, yeah, and then Maggie comes and she just hangs out and it's like, that sucks.
Correct.
She's Batman.
Whoa. My mind is blown.
Since we have like a low amount of people,
What do you mean?
I say we get like 2 tracks.
What? No. You got us 4. You got Troy. You got Nigel. Exactly. Troy's toe has been broken for 8 months and he finally figured out how to fix it.
He popped it back into
Yes,
place.
he did.
He said it was a mild dislocation, but he went, popped it back in like a
Luna
Lego.
did to Harry's nose.
A pisky. All right, Uzi, would you like to go first?
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay.
The demon has this board. Watch.
Dan, it just has really good wheels and bearings.
Look, watch. It'll come back. I
That's
kicked
it.
it that way. Watch. Am I wrong?
It likes you.
Am I wrong?
Did you just begin kickflipping?
Why did it come back?
Just kickflip, bro.
Why did it come back?
Just kickflip,
Watch,
Dan.
watch. Whatever, I'm going.
Okay, Dan. Time starts on your first pop. For those of you guys who have not seen this series, you have 5 minutes tops to do a single kickflip on all of these boards. Whoever does it in the fastest time wins $100.
I feel like this board wants me to kickflip it first.
Okay, then do it, boy.
It keeps coming back to me.
And time starts on the first pop.
All right then, okay. That's like the sea urchin.
Okay, this one is gonna be so easy. Oh!
Not even you were tall.
That was
You
scary.
don't want Marge to take away your ability to have children, Dan.
Please, Marge.
Oh!
This one's terrifying.
Oh!
This is so scary.
No!
That's a big margin for error right there.
Oh, figure out the physics.
There's no grip.
You just gotta flick down, Dan.
Dang.
No. Come on, Dan. Come on, Dan. This is for $100. Oh,
You're right.
Yeah.
I forgot.
Come on, Dan. Oh, double. Dude, what the heck?
Ah!
Get it, boy. Come on.
This is hard. Oh my gosh.
Get away from the door. Go that way.
She makes me even more mad than Marge.
No. Take your time.
Looking at me.
That's good.
Finally a board with some grip.
Good. One more.
Ah, God. These boards are a lot harder than they look.
Okay. Oh, that's time.
This is a downward count.
Wow. Oh, I like that. That's a good play on it. Start at 5 minutes, go down. Oh, I see. The higher the number, the better. Wow. Hey, don't practice. Nigel! You're up.
For what?
The kickflip challenge for cash, boy.
What am I kick flipping? How much we winning?
$100.
$100. All right, what you got?
These 5.
this board's gonna be a nightmare. I feel like this is gonna be the easiest.
Yep, you were absolutely right. 100% correct.
You gotta remember, I'm weird with kickflips on weird boards.
Yes, I know, but that's why I'm agreeing with you.
Whenever I pop,
Yep, on the first pop.
this is a lot. It's a lot of pressure. It's a lot of pressure, man. I get what you're saying. I gotta kick down. Ready? There we go. Try here. Hadouken! Does that count? Hadouken!
Oh! Judge?
This is gonna, I don't know why I got on this one second. Hadouken! I'll come back to you. Pickle Rick!
Fine.
You look so upset, Gabe.
Come on, Nigel! This is like the Hector episode.
Could have been back there, doing my job, putting orders together. Nope, Gabe gotta come grab me. Woo! Alright, Thanos.
No!
There's another USPS.
Come on!
Body! What's your strategy here?
Just do my best. Everybody's having trouble with Marge, so I think I'm just gonna start off with this and figure it out. The hardest one. I'm stuck on this one for a minute.
You might as well start naming these how we get most money this time.
I got that.
Dang, jeez.
He's got rubber grip on his shoes. That's what I blame the flick on Marge. I got nothing. See, told
Teddy,
you.
would you like to go or would you like me to go?
I guess I'll go.
Okay.
Guess I'll lose.
Troy, you gotta go too.
Then you gotta go too.
No, I plan on going. Good. 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 Oh, he got him! Oh, by 10 seconds.
See what happens when you try? Always try, people.
Let's go. I'm gonna go. All right, Dan, you ready?
Are you ready?
Nope. Oh, that was the move flick.
Damn it, already lost.
What is it stuck on? Oh, I lost.
You're in it. Okay.
Dang it. Dang it. Wow. Hey. Oh, I won at least a Carlo.
That was still good. That was still good.
Marge, if I just landed Marge first try.
I think Marge is the hardest one. Between Marge and Maggie is the hardest.
Yeah, I'm never going first on this challenge again. I was just too cocky.
All right, real
More
quick, Dan,
towards
look
the
at
front
this.
of
Check this out. No! Come on, ankle.
What happened to your ankle?
Nothing, it's just, that thing's heavy. Trying to talk it into submission, yeah.
Like this.
Right here, full send.
Wow. The LT.
I got a freaking notification right when I popped, and that's
Wow.
all I heard.
Is that, whoa.
All right, full send.
Holy. Just do a double flip.
You have to
Come on, Troy. Unless your toe hurts.
My toe hurts.
It does?
Yeah.
Who's the culprit? That one?
Yeah, it's this one. From Remember That Rail?
That one right there.
Yeah, this.
I wish I would have done a little better.
Yeah, really sucks.
You want me to go again?
You know what? I'll give you one more go, Dan. I'll give you one more go. Just because you went first, that's it. I'll give you one more go to redeem yourself. That's it. All right, Dan, go ahead. First try then.
Gotta summon my inner crab. Come on, Marge.
They're behind her waist.
Ow, my ears!
I'm still in it.
Dan, flick down!
I can't. I don't have enough grip. All right. Apparently, I didn't win this. I don't have enough grip.
Dan, look at my shoes.
I don't have enough grip.
Look at my shoes, Dan.
What do you mean? I'm literally standing on the board.
There you go. Time!
Body!
Robin Hood over here. Hey, look, it's Robin Hood, brother.
Just sit down, Dan. Shame on you. Well, congratulations, Fed. You were the winner.
I won something, finally.
Look at that. As soon as Chris McNugget's not in town, you win one.
I thought Carlos had this one.
All right, you guys, Fetty Potter is the winner of this episode of Kickflip Challenge. There's some videos right there. Go ahead and check them out. Let us know in a comment below what kind of boards we should do next. What other challenges we should do next. Switch heel challenge just for Troy.
Please.
Subscribe, like, leave a comment below, and we will see you next time. Learn how to skate.